Hey guys, this is your boy Rahim Young, and for the last 7 days I've been staying at the Riu Playa Blanca in Panama, and it has been an amazing time thanks to the wonderful staff here. They're really helpful, really friendly, and they do everything to help you out. It's such an amazing experience. When you have good customer service, I really appreciate stuff like that, and I want to say thank you to the staff at the Riu Playa Blanca. Yeah, this hotel has 3 pools. The pools, they're amazing. Like, you have one pool for kids, you have a pool for adults. The adult pool has a bar. You have another pool where you can play volleyball, and it's like a pool that you have a fun and dance, and there's always a lot of activities going on there. Yeah.
What are you doing?
So hey guys, we're just here at the pool chilling out, having a good time. Yeah, we're having a lot of fun in Panama. Yeah, we're really enjoying this. Yeah, I love the culture, I love the people. Everybody's so chill, having a good time. Yeah, man. And the beach, it's not the best beach, but it's okay. Like, it's like a black sand, but it's only some parts.
It's just some parts. I feel like the beach is kind of a little bit public, so it's not really maintained and kept up by Riu themselves, and only Riu guests are on it. There's also locals that come on it as well and stuff. So it's a little bit different in the sense of saying, oh, it's like soft silk white sand beach. No, it's still white sand beach, but there's a little bit of blackness there, and it's a little bit dirty at the front. But if you do look at some of the shots, when you go further out, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful,
clear,
out in
crystal
the water.
blue water.
Yeah.
So
this is what the beach looks like. It's kind of a black sand. Yeah, but it's not too bad. It's workable. Yeah. I'm here on the beach at the Riu Playa Blanca with my friend here, Roberto. He sells arts and crafts, Panama hats, a lot of stuff on the beach.
The keychains, bracelets, everything.
Yeah guys, he has a lot of cool stuff. If you want to bring back home a little bit of the Panamanian culture, you should definitely check him out on the beach at the Riu Playa Blanca.
And I recommend this place for holidays. Good place.
Chilling with my friend Julius on the beach. Come here, Julius. Come here, doggy. Doggy. Yeah, these are my friends from Panama. What's up, daddy? On the beach, you could find people like trying to give you a horseback ride. They told us it was like $25 for half an hour. They kind of be a little tricky, so be careful of them. If you agree on a price, make sure you pay them your $25 if they say it's for half an hour, and don't let them try to make you go over the time, because they can be a little tricky. They told us $25, and when we were done, they were telling us $100. I'm like, what? We agreed on $25. Yeah, so they can be a little tricky, but the horseback ride was good.
And that is from the locals. Those are the locals that came on the beach with their own horses and everything. That has nothing to do with the hotel or anything to do with Sunwing or any airline that you travel with. It's just the locals trying to make money.
They were trying to make a quick buck.
Yeah.
On the beach, there's like water sports. You could do jet skiing, kayaking, and stuff like that. Little beach activities. Yeah, you can find that on the beach. This hotel has 4 restaurants. You have a specialty restaurant, which is the steakhouse. You have an Italian restaurant. You have an Asian restaurant, and you have the main buffet. Only one restaurant you have to make a reservation for, and it's the steakhouse. So
the 3 specialty restaurants, the steakhouse, the Asian restaurant, and Italian restaurant, it's not like a buffet restaurant. You have to be there at 6:30, and then they seat you at a table something, they don't really take reservations, so they don't keep, unless you have some special event like for Rahim's birthday. I tried talking to the manager of the restaurant to see if they can just put aside a table for us.
Yeah, they were really helpful for that.
Yeah, they were.
It's an amazing staff here. Like I really love the service, to be honest.
Yeah. So like if you wanna do a specialty restaurant just in the night, and you don't wanna do the buffet that is open, you can always go to the front. There's a host there, and they can seat you at a table when it's available, or they can seat you at the table if it is available. So it's basically a first come first serve kind of thing. It's not like you put your name on a reservation list, then they have that table reserved for you for the night.
There's also a sports bar. We could go in the night, hang out, chill, have some wonderful drinks. Yeah. I'm here with Sharait here at the sports bar. She's the one that serves the wonderful Panamanian drinks. Say something to my camera.
Hi.
She doesn't speak a lot of English, but she's really amazing. Hey guys, there's a few bars on the resort. Yeah, we serve up some really nice blend of drinks. I'm here getting a banana mama. Yeah. You should check out the bars and check out the banana mama. Yeah, it's really good. I'm just here having a banana mama. I definitely recommend you guys to try this. It's really good.
And they have amazing entertainment. They have a theater where you can sit down in the nighttime, and they have nightly shows that take place, and they also have a club. So if you want to go to the club, it's from, I think it's 11 to 2 or around there, but I know it ends at 2. And you can go to the club, listen to music, have drinks, just like a regular club. So there's lots to do on the resort itself if you are staying here. And there's lots of excursions if you do want to go outside of the resort and explore Panama a little bit, which I do encourage a lot.
Yeah, I love Panama. It's a really nice place. I really love it here.
Yeah.
There's also, on special nights, you could have a beach party. I remember it was like 2 nights ago, there was a big beach party. It was so much fun.
There was a lot of people down there. We could see from our room
the Spanish vibes. Yeah, I love it.
And the great thing is they play all types of music. Like they'll play Spanish music, they'll also play hip hop, they'll play a little bit of dancehall if you like it, they'll play a little bit of R&B. They mix it up a lot, so it's not like you're just listening to Spanish music and you're just listening to R&B.
Yeah.
And they do have some of the new music that's hot right now, and then they mix it up with the old one, so they make you feel like
you feel at home somewhat.
Yeah.
But the culture is really nice. I really like it. It's amazing here. I love it.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah.
I would recommend you coming just to.
It's a good experience.
Yeah, because it gives you the opportunity to meet new people, and it also let you see how other people live here. Like if you do the Panama City tour and the canal tour, you get an overview of like how the life here is in Panama.
Yeah.
You can walk around. If you walk around, there's lots of policemen that are there.
Yeah, you feel super safe. Like there's cops everywhere to protect the tourists.
And it's clean.
Yeah.
So there's police there to protect you as well, as it's really clean. And the locals there, they're very interactive, they're very nice.
Very helpful.
They will try and help you, although they may not speak English, they will try their best to understand, to try to help you, which is super amazing.
You know what I like the most? I didn't find anybody trying to pressure you for money. It was completely, there was none of that stuff.
It was genuine. It was
pretty
genuine.
People do stuff for you without asking for money, and I really appreciate that.
Because when you go to some
different countries, they pressure you,
and they realize that you are a tourist, it's just like, here, tip, or they just asking you for money or asking you for things, or try to get you to do stuff. Here it's just like, you want to try it, you can. Also, you want to taste that, you can, but you don't have to. It's just genuine help, and it's just genuine, like, we want you to have fun here.
Yeah.
It's not like, oh, I want you to do this and like to get your money.
Yeah, so that really made the experience an amazing one. Yeah, I hope you guys like this review. Just remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Thank you.